Good morning from the Bear's Den. Oh, no, hang on. No. Oh, the cooking with
Wayne.
cooking with Wayne. Oh, yeah. I keep forgetting.
Not coffee time with Jeff.
I know, we're all thinking about Jeff all the time and stealing all his ideas, his cooking shows. Look what we're having this morning. It was another great day to sleep in. Good morning, YouTube. We are in Pallet-ive Care, the Ambo. And we're going to have breakfast this morning. Thanks, Wayne.
You're welcome.
Yeah, very good. Very, very good. We got one of those days here in Nanaimo. Great breakfast put on by Wayne and the kiddies, and I'm just going in to clean up my mess from yesterday. I had one in both the vans, but let's go make the schoolie livable. See what I mean? Even the dog dish is a mess. Yeah, we got a bit of cleaning up to do. Bit of a break going on. I was sitting in there after I cleaned up and did a bunch of editing. My eyeballs are killing me. But I need to organize this stuff here. Figure out something to do. Because I have all that stuff in the Volkswagen. And that little monkey running around with a ball in his mouth. We're gonna hook up my camera today, my backup camera. The good people at Viofo have graciously sent me one of their cool dual channel Wi-Fi dash cams. There's the dash cam and the backup camera. Okay? And thank goodness I got Wayne here to help me, because he's like the expert in this stuff. But it's amazing, this stuff comes with everything. Bluetooth remote control, a polarizing lens, and a whole whack of cable to run to the back. So we should do pretty good, because as you can see, there's no back window in here. So it'd be really nice to see what's going on out back at times, correct? So yeah, Viofo, we're putting your product in today. I can hardly wait. Actually, I'm too excited. I need to pull it out and have a look at it. What do you guys think? Yeah, okay. Oh, look at this. Let's open the big one here first, eh? Oh, yeah, open these things up. Oh, there we go. It even comes with the tool for peeling back plastic and stuff like that for the newer cars. That's awesome, man. Well, I have not a clue how to do this, so we have Wayne here, and he's got two in his van, so I think he's got experience. Well, I know he's got experience. We've already mapped out where we're going to be putting all the lines and stuff like that, so we're just trying to figure out if we can run power off of the remnants of the old bus stuff that's up here. So yeah, Wade just popped his head in here and told me I have to go help him grab some tools, because we need to bring over everything that we possibly might need. Holy crap, eh? Okay.
Always prepared.
You sound like a Boy Scout. I figured I better read this before we get too far into it. We're currently looking for some power up here behind that board, so that should be coming up. And finally, we have to test. That's what this was all about. Make sure everything works before you install it. So, we're powering it up. It's neat. We powered it up just a second ago. It all starts talking and everything. How does it work? Oh, look at that. Oh, look, there's the rear camera. Look at that. There's me on camera.
Whoa.
have to try to figure out how to get these curtains and stuff down so we can get a camera out back.
Gonna do it for expansion, right?
Expansion, just in case.
Just in case factor.
That was a pain to get off.
Yes.
Somebody broke a screw. So that thing there is going to be a power, accessory, and ground, so that later we can hook up other things like other LED lights. Maybe we'll get the fan working up here, disco balls, you know, for entertaining purposes. Right, Wayne?
Right.
We have the dude here and he's working on his technician's apprenticeship. We got a little snackaroonie, but look at the mess this guy makes. Oops.
You ever seen one of those before?
What's that?
It's a nibbling tool.
I love nibblers.
Yep.
My job is to, oh, hi, Brent Valley. Get the back door ready for the, that's what he's got done. I know, it's been all day long. No, just kidding. Nice work. It's time. We have to do a test.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
How come I don't hear it click still?
I don't know why you're not hearing it click. So we had a wire slip off,
So
and we lost power, but Wayne found it. He's fixing it. And the dude, well, he's looking for table scraps.
Yeah. Where's the ones for here?
Oh, they're over here. They were over here. So after reconnecting a couple wires and grounding it out, we got power to the camera. So we're lapping. Now it's just trying to run a wire all the way to the back to that door. So we're installing the cable that attaches to the rear camera. Let's go back.
I'm gonna fasten this up here. We got some staples in it because we couldn't get all the way up. We couldn't get the staples all the way in.
Yeah.
Because it's uneven for the middle. So it's close enough that we're going to put some glue on here for the glue gun. Perfect. And that'll hold it in place. And then we'll glue it on the back side all the way around into the
Yeah, the curtain goes all the way around like this, so you're not going to see any of this stuff. It'll all be hidden, so that's great. We're going to run it down here. Dude, that's a silly boy. He came up here to look to see if the camera was working, and we don't have it hooked up yet. Wayne doesn't work that fast. He's semi-retired. Just tying up the loose ends here. IFO. But we're going to hold you all in suspense because we're going to make sure this place is all nice and cleaned up first. So here we go.
Oh, that's I gotta.
We got the VFO rear or security camera all hooked up. It's amazing.
I got the security camera all connected. And the front. And we got the back camera, and it also goes to.
Too funny, eh? Good old Wayne there, making his movies. We've had a lot of fun giving him a few pointers here and there and teaching him a few tricks. Anyways, VioFo's on deck camera. So again, this great company was nice enough to send me this magnificent piece of hardware. Okay, let's power this baby up. Power light is on. And there you go.
Recording. 2 channels started.
Pretty nifty. I don't know if you guys can see that. I hope it does. This
Video protected.
automatically saves it in case there was an accident in front of you. It also comes with an app, so you can actually see and save things on your phone. It is a pretty fancy unit. It's 2K front and rear, so the pictures are phenomenal, as you saw. And we will be taking it out here in the next few days. But I wanted to show you the bare bone basics, that it is super easy to put together. It is super easy to install, and it's an amazing little camera. Thank you, Viofo, for sending me this to try out. We'll come back to you guys in a little while, but they got a special going on right now, so you got to go check them out. So yeah, come to their website. It's viofo.com. Come and check it out. They got the amazing deals on here, and yeah, there's my camera right there. There's your clarity. This is the one right here. Oh, this is their new premier one. Whoa, look at that flagship. Anyways, check them out. I'm pretty sure they got some kind of deals on right now or coming up.